This video will show you how to easy extract GPS and other telemetry data from GoPro HERO7 Black camera video footage. The GoPro HERO7 Black camera can store various telemetry data within a photo-video footage because she has built-in sensors, GPS, accelerometer, compass, and gyroscope. These data can be reached in a few ways and can be used in a variety of ways. GoPro HERO7 Black camera use GPS receiver u-blox M8030, CT. Bosch BMG250, gyroscope. Bosch BHA250, accelerometer and compass. To enable that HERO7 record telemetry data, you must activate a GPS receiver via menu in the camera, either via mobile GoPro application. To enable that HERO7 record telemetry data, you must activate a GPS receiver via menu in the camera, either via mobile GoPro application. Telemetry data can be extracted from the HERO7 recordings using this program. First, you download the zip archive to your computer. Once you've unpacked the zip archive at the desired location, you get this folder with the following content. Now, by simply dragging video file from the HERO7 recording and dropping on the gpmd2csv.bat file, you start a process that will extract and compile telemetry data from the footage itself into separate files. Process will create GoPro metadata extract folder. In folder where is the HERO7 footage placed. Now, by simply dragging video file from the HERO7 recording and dropping on the gpmd2csv.bat file, you start a process that will extract and compile telemetry data from the footage itself into separate files. Process will create GoPro metadata extract folder. In folder where is the HERO7 footage placed. This is the final result, telemetry data extracted from the HERO7 footage as separate files. You can now use these telemetry data in different ways. E.g., you can visualize the GPS track through which the Hero 7 camera is moving, for example, while driving. These data are in the GPX file. They represent a GPS track because the camera records its GPS position every approximately 60 milliseconds, approximately 20 times in second. One of the interesting ways to use telemetry data from the Hero 7 camera is to put them in the Google Earth program in GPX format. He will create the animation of the camera's motion path in real time as they are recorded. Here you can affect at the entire parameters of the virtual camera display. Considering the many options, you need to experiment slightly until a satisfactory view is achieved. You also need to know that the quality of the display and the smoothness of the movement depend on the power of your computer and especially whether or not 3D display of buildings and other graphics details are included. Once you've adjusted everything you like, you can record it as a new, separate track that you can play back later, or use it to create video animation. When you have a recorded track, with Movie Maker tool, you can create a video. In settings, you can define the format, resolution, quality, etc. The video processing time depends on the power of your computer and the video quality parameters you have selected. Keep in mind that higher resolution and quality can greatly increase the video encoding time. The telemetry data from the Hero 7 camera can be imprinted into the video itself as an integral part of the image. This process is relatively simple and will be shown in another video. Now let's look at an example where I put together a video that consists of two Google Earth virtual cameras with different view perspectives and Hero 7 recording with like this imprinted telemetry data in the image. videos created by the Google Earth Movie Maker tool are perfectly synchronized with the HERO7 recordings, which will be very useful in video post-production where you are looking for frame-accurate editing. The videos created by the Google Earth Movie Maker tool are perfectly synchronized with the HERO7 recordings, which will be very useful in video post-production where you are looking for frame-accurate editing. During this long-lasting encoding of the video there has been an issue with the hard disk drive controller of the computer, so it is possible that these disturbances have been caused by this. I hope this video will open some new visions of using the featured GoPro Hero 7 camera options. If you like video, please give thumb up and subscribe to channel. Thanks for watching.